Wow!
Hello, good evening. Hi.
Filipinos
It's
are
me,
generally very
Queen.
welcoming to visitors. But the
Now,
Icons have a unique
today
way of
I'm
treating
preparing
guests
my
to feel right at home in their community.
garlic for
Our ritual
my
dance,
peanuts
Called
for
Chapulay, is
tomorrow.
performed as an acknowledgement of
See,
the
this
guest
is all
and a
the
display
garlic
of respect and importance.
for tomorrow.
That's our
I'm
first interaction
preparing
with
for
the
my peanuts.
locals, community. And, like, these good moments put us together and, like, I feel like we are friends already.
That's my friend. Too much. You see, it's all for my peanuts.
Choice mo kung kanino ka may love. Paramdam mo na mahal mo siya. Kahit na nandito
Tomorrow, I'll show you how I will cook my peanuts. It's very crunchy. The peanuts is crunchy and also the garlic. So, I have lots of customers ordering my peanuts for tomorrow also. Because it's really delicious. Crunchy. The garlic is crunchy. The peanuts is crunchy too also. And I have spicy peanuts and without spicy. The chili.
Tanggapin ko lahat ng opportunities na pwedeng bigay sa akin ngayon. Salamat sa pakikinig sa akin na.
Hey! While I'm chopping my garlic, watching.
Swerte mga magulang mo sa'yo. Ganito mo rin ba sila alagaan? Hanggat hindi pa happy, hindi pa yung ending.
Available on pay-per-view in the Middle East. Catch all these and more
Tomorrow,
at the
guys,
OSN
to be
store.
continued.
To access OSN store,
See you tomorrow.
Your existing OSN set-top box to an OSN Plus HD box today. For more information, call
Oh,
OSN.
so
Also
much.
available on Movies on Demand in June.
Bye.
Catch them also online.